Well, good morning. Day 3 here in Tonopah, Nevada. It's not day 3. What am I talking about? All day today. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Day 5. Yeah, half the time I forget what day of the week it is. I don't know, maybe that's a good thing. Anyway, it's Thursday, day 5, and we're going to be heading that way and getting into Vegas this evening. Going to take my time going down, see what cool stuff is around, and we'll get on the road shortly. Yeah. This is Goldfield, Nevada. Yeah, historic little town. I was actually going to stay here in an RV park, camp here for a night, but I opted not to. I stayed up the road and splurged and stayed in a hotel last night. But anyway, this is pretty cool. So this is on Highway 95. I don't know, it's about 3 hours north of Vegas, I think, something like that. I've come down this highway before. I like these back highways. The whole trip, the only time I ran an interstate was for maybe 30 minutes, and that was all. All small highways. Well, we're in the little town of Beatty, Nevada. Want to stop and grab a coffee, so if you're gonna grab a coffee, you may as well fuel up, even though I don't really need it. And on to the next one. Yeah, I found a little oasis, a rest area, Armagosa, Nevada. Yep. A couple gas stations, and there's Area 51 Alien Center over there. Yeah, I might have to check that out. I'll let you know. Well, let's check this out. See what's happening inside here. Yeah. Yeah. Well, you know what?
Greetings, Earth. I am Alien Zoltar. I'm here to read your thoughts, if you dare.
Hey, it gets people in, right? And they sell gas too. And they have Wi-Fi. And Indian Springs, Nevada. It's actually an Air Force base over there where they fly a lot of drones out of. I've seen them flying around here before. Terribles, it's called. Terribles gas station. Anyway, I heard thunder and stuff like that, and it's just kind of spitting right now. Looks like raining in the sunshine. We'll see what happens. not in a rush. I'm gonna stay here until it passes by. Okay, end of day 5. We're at the Longhorn Casino and Hotel in Las Vegas. And we're here for tonight. Head out tomorrow, and then it's only like 20 minutes down the road to where I'm gonna be spending a week. So anyway, the rooms are pretty cheap here. And actually I've eaten dinner here before in the past, and it is really good and inexpensive as well. Longhorn Casino Hotel, Boulder Highway, Las Vegas. Alrighty.